Have you ever wondered what it takes to go from an idea to a fully automated packaging solution? Here at Gossamer, our focus is simple: to create reliable end-of-line solutions that help take our customers' business to the next level, not just locally, but globally. It all starts with understanding the packaging facility, the product, the space, the challenges that our customers face every day. And from there, we can design a solution that brings it all together. Our team designs solutions based on the unique needs of each of our customers. And this is where ideas are forged into reality through our engineering expertise and experience. And from here, the different building blocks start coming together. A successful solution depends on electrical, mechanical, and software components working together in harmony. And piece by piece, the system starts to take shape. At Gossamer, we produce locally. Our machines are manufactured right here by our skilled team. Not imported, but engineered and produced by us. From fabrication, components move into our main assembly area. This is where the full scale of a Gossamer solution begins to come to life. Large structural frames, drive systems, and automation components are carefully assembled by our team. Mechanical, electrical, and software components are integrated to seamlessly work together. And gradually, these elements come together to form a high-performance packaging system. Each machine is carefully inspected and tested before it reaches our customer, ensuring reliability and performance from day one. With every stage complete, the system is now ready to leave our facility and start the next part of its journey. What started as a plan is now a fully built solution, ready to support our customers' operations where it matters most. It reflects the skill of our people, the strength of our process, and our commitment to delivering equipment that performs under pressure. At Gossamer, we don't just build machines, we build solutions.